On today's learning program we'll be looking at the human digestive system. The digestive system in the human body processes food and liquids. It consists of the digestive tract, where food passes through structures like the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and accessory organs. These organs work together to break down food into smaller components for absorption and assimilation. The mouth is the first organ in the digestive system. It serves several essential functions. Ingestion. Food enters the mouth, allowing the initial stage of digestion. Mechanical digestion. Chewing. Teeth break down large food pieces into smaller ones. Chemical digestion. Saliva initiates digestion by breaking down starch into sugar. The esophagus ensures the smooth movement of food from the mouth to the stomach, allowing for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. The stomach is like a big, stretchy bag. It holds food and mixes it up with special juices called enzymes and acids that help break it down. It's like a mixer for your food. When the food is ready, the stomach sends it to the next part of your body to keep getting broken down. The pancreas is a busy little organ that sits behind your tummy. It does two important jobs. First, it makes special juices that help us break down our food. Second, it sends messages to other parts of our body to help us stay healthy. It makes sure we have enough sugar in our blood and helps our tummy know when to stop eating. The liver is a busy worker. It's the biggest organ in our bodies and helps us stay healthy. It makes a special juice called bile that helps us break down food. It also cleans our blood and makes sure we have enough sugar to run around and play. The gallbladder is a tiny, pear-shaped organ that lives near the liver. It's like a little storage tank for a special juice called bile. The liver makes bile, and the gallbladder keeps it safe until we need it. The small intestine's main functions include breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and moving the intestinal contents along the digestive tract. Specifically, the small intestine absorbs carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It plays a vital role in digestion, ensuring efficient nutrient absorption and waste elimination.
Before we go further, please smash that subscribe button and give us a like. You'll help keep our channel alive. You are the best.
The large intestine, also known as the colon, follows the small intestine and extends to the anal canal, where food waste exits the body. The large intestine performs several essential functions, such as absorbing water and electrolytes, forming stool, facilitating bacterial fermentation, and protecting against infections. The rectum connects the large intestine to the anus. It acts as a reservoir where stool accumulates before being ready for elimination. The anus marks the exit point for food waste. Muscles, nerves, and mucous membranes work together to facilitate healthy bowel movements that you can control. Thank you for watching and listening.